welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you this cute Christmas tree for the Christmas festivals. This was going highly on the Pinterest, so I thought that let me show you how to make it. Here firstly we are going to use this brown color. We will make some chains with it. In total we are going to make 16 chains and I'm gonna show you how to make it. In any case, if you want to know how to make chains and like you are totally beginner in it, so you're able to learn the chains and single crochet, double half crochet, everything in this single video. In any case, if you're not able to know how to make it in this video, so I will make separate videos on each different crochet styles and you're able to watch it in my further videos. So here we done our 16 chains. So now we going to skip the first one and make a single crochet in the second chain like this, and then we are going to chain single crochet in all the 15 chains. In any case, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, so for the upcoming videos please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. So here I'm making single crochet in the all 15 chains and I will show you after making it. So it is our last single crochet in the 15th chain, and after we done it we are going to make a slip stitch and cut the extra yarn. So after cutting this brown yarn we are going to start with this green one, and on the last single crochet of the brown yarn we are going to make chains with this green yarn, and we are going to chain 2. This is 1 and 2, and we are going to flip it up, and on the first chain we are going to make 2 double crochet. After making 2 double crochet we are going to move to the second chain, and we are going to make 3 double crochets in it. In this row, on the first 5 chains we are going to make double crochet. On the second 5 chains we are going to make half double crochets, and on the third and last 5 chains we are going to make single crochet, and in all of them we are going to make it thrice in each chain. Like here we done our 3 chains on the second one too, and we are going to make 3 double crochet again on the third one, and then fourth one and fifth one. In first we make 2 double crochets because we chained 2 first, and we are going to count that as a double crochet also. So by counting it there are 3 double crochets in the first one too. So we are going to make 2 more chains with double crochet, and then we are going to make half double crochet in the other 5 chains. So it is our last double crochet, and here we done 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 completed with double crochet. Now we are going to move the next 5 chains of double crochet, and here we are going to make first half double crochet and second half double crochet in the same chain, and this one is the last half double crochet in the same chain. Now we are going to move to the second chain and we are going to make again 3 half double crochets in the same chain. And like this we are going to make 5 chains with double half crochet, and then we are going to make the last 5 chains with single crochet. So here it is our last double half crochet. Here we complete our 1 2 3 4 5 chains of double half crochet is completed. Now we are going to make single crochet. It is our first chain and we are going to make 3 single crochet in one chain, and it is our second chain. Again going to make 3 single crochets, and we are going to complete all these 5 chains with single crochet. So here we done our single crochets too, and it is looking like this right now, something like this. And now we are going to move further with the third row of our, and in the third row we are going to make single crochets in the first 15 chains, and we are going to make 2 single crochets in the first 15 chains, and then we are going to make 2 double half crochets in the second 15 chains, and then 2 double crochets in the last 15 chains. And that's how we are going to complete this row, and I will show you after making my first 15 chain with single crochet. So here we done, and we are going to make now the double half crochets in the second 15 chains, and again we are going to make 2 double half crochets in one chain. Like this. It's our third chain, and we are going to make our first double half crochet, and then it's our second half double crochet in the third chain, and then fourth chain. And like this we are going to complete our 15 chains with the double half crochet, and then we are going to make double crochets in the last 15 chains. So here we done our double half crochets, and now we are going to make double crochets in the first chain and second double crochet in the first chain again. Here we are also going to make 2 double crochet in one chain in all the 15 chains left in this row. And after completing it, we are going to make with the white yarn, and I will show you after completing this row. So here we completed this row, and this is our third row which we completed. So now at the end we are going to make a slip stitch with the green yarn and cut out the extra yarn. Now we are going to make it complete with the white yarn, and here we are going to do it like this. We are going to make a slip stitch, then a chain, then a slip stitch, then again a chain, and that's how we are going to complete this row. So here we chain 1, And now we are going to make a slip stitch with the white yarn, and here we done a slip stitch like this, and then chain 1, again a slip stitch, here we done our slip stitch, and then chain 1, and then again a slip stitch, and that's how we are going to complete the whole row with the white yarn. And let's see after completing it. And here we completed this row with the white yarn, and it's looking really beautiful. And now we are going to chain 1 and cut the extra yarn, and here we completed the whole tree. It's looking like this. And now we are going to make a star, and we are going to make it with this yellow yarn. At first we are going to make a magic circle just like this, and now we are going to chain 1 and then 2 double crochets. So this is our first double crochet, and then second double crochet, and then chain 1, and make a slip stitch in the magic circle. And again we are going to repeat the same, like 1 chain, then 2 double crochets, first double crochet, and then second double crochet, and then again chain 1, and then a slip stitch in the magic ring. And that's how we done it 2 times, and we are going to make it 5 times. And here we completed our the last one, and then we are going to tighten the magic ring, and then chain 1, and now we are going to cut the extra yarn. Now again going to tighten the magic ring, and here we completed it. We are going to stitch it on the top of the tree like this. You're able to make this with needles also. Here I'm able to done it with crochet, so I completed it like this. So here it is completed. So it's looking something like this right now, and I'm going to make a loop with the brown color for hanging it out on the Christmas tree or anywhere you want to hang it out. So here we make a knot and we completed it. And this is our Christmas tree. So guys, if you didn't subscribe yet at my channel, please do so for watching the upcoming videos. And I will see you in any of those videos. And yeah, keep watching the videos and also do like, subscribe and share it with your friends who like to make these crochet stuffs. Till then, bye bye.